So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to select a good theme. So first of all, we are at our WordPress dashboard. So go to Appearance, go to Themes. Once you are at Themes, you'll get your basic WordPress installed themes here. So go on Add New Theme. And by the way, this theme is by default installed by WordPress, and believe me, it's really good. It can be also be worked upon for initial testing purpose. But if you want some more themes, go to Add New Theme. And the interesting thing is most of the WordPress themes are free to use and highly customizable. If you want something more professional, then you can go to Theme Forest. Just Google search Theme Forest and you'll get thousands of premium WordPress themes, though it will come at a small cost, sometimes at a more cost. And finding the right theme can take some time, but it would be really worth it in the end. So coming back, let us browse through some random XYZ theme. What you can always do is you can preview it from here. An important point to note here is that you have to find a responsive theme. So what responsive means is that they look good on any mobile device too, apart from the desktop. Go on popular. It's just loading up. Just browse any random XYZ theme, whichever appeals to you. And just check it out. So we'll be creating our website for Healing Buddy. I think so this has a lot of subtle flavor to it. The colors are also good. Check for responsive. It's a responsive theme. Now just click on install here. So once it is installed, just click on activate. So it's activated. You can check the new theme here. So you see Healing Buddy, just another website. So this is a rough theme. So what we are gonna do in the next video is that we'll add and edit some pages. So I have made a list of what pages I want for my website. One is a landing page, one is a vision page, one is a become a volunteer page, and one is a contact page. I have my content ready for it. Landing page content is this, the vision content is this, the become a volunteer content is this, and the contact content is this. So I have made a mind map ready for this, and with this, in the next video onwards, I'll teach you how to add the pages on your website.